Hello friends, my name is Bakesh Patel. Today's topic Java keyword. Java keywords are also known as reservoir word. Keyword are particular word that act as a key to code. These are a predefined word by Java, so they cannot be used as variable or object name or class name. List of Java keywords. A list of Java keyword of reservoir word are given below. Abstract. Java abstract keyword is used to declare an abstract class. An abstract class can provide the implementation of the interference. It can have an abstract and non-abstract method. Boolean. Java Boolean keyword is used to declare a variable as a Boolean type. It can hold true and false value only. Break. Java break keyword is used to break the loop or a switch statement. It's break the current flow of the program and specify condition. Bytes. Java bytes keyword is used to declare a variable that cannot hold 8-bit data value. Case. Java case keyword is used to with the switch statement to mark block of text. Catch. Java catch keywords is used to catch the exception generated by try statement. It must be used after the try block only. Char. Java char keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold unsigned 16-bit Unicode character. Class. Java class keyword is used to declare a class. Continue. Java continue keywords is used to continue the loop. It continues the current flow of the program and skip the remaining code at the specified condition. Default. Java default keyword is used to specify the statement to declare a loop. It can iterate a part of the program several times. Double. Java double keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 64-bit floating point number. Else. Java else keyword is used to indicate the alternative branches in an if statement. Enum. Java enum keyword is used to define a fixed set of constant. Enum constructor are always private or default. Extend. Java extend keyword is used to indicate that a class is derived from another class or interface. Final. Java final keyword is used to indicate that a variable hold a constant value. It is used with the variable. It is used to restrict the user from updating the value of the variable. Finally, Java finally keywords indicate a block of code in a try-catch structure. This block is always executed whether an exception is handled or not. Float. Java float keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold a 32-bit floating point number. Int. Java int keyword is used to declare a variable that hold a 64-bit integers. Thank you friends.